We are trying to arrest Dawood Ibrahim, thundered Home Minister Rajnath Singh. Wherever he is, we will get him. This from the NDA government when in power. Rewind just for a moment to the 27th of April when campaigning was on and Narendra Modi said, why is the Indian government not able to get Dawood? Do these things happen through the medium of newspapers? Did America issue a press note before they killed Laden? Joining us on the center stage face-off on the Modi government's promise of nabbing Dawood. Can they actually do so? We've got Sambit Patra representing the BJP, Sanjay Jha from the Congress and Jaidev Ranade, former additional secretary in the Research and Analysis Wing, one of India's most respected counter-terror officers. I want to go across first to Sambit because the BJP in opposition says, and this is in the context, I must remind our viewers about that, of Sushil Shinde saying, we're talking to Pakistan, we're also sharing information with America, we will find a way of arresting Dawood Ibrahim. And Modi at that time mocked Sushil Shinde, saying, why do you have to talk to the press about it? First act, then talk. Now, your Home Minister seems to be doing exactly what Modi was unhappy about when Shinde was doing this.
No. There are lots of differences between both the circumstances. I have the exact wordings and sentences as to what was spoken today on the floor of the parliament. Yes. I'll show you the difference. And why Mr. Narendra Modi, the present Prime Minister, opposed to what Mr. Shinde did was, he said, you do not share the information that you have with a third party along with the press. In the sense that Mr. Shinde went to say, as per our information, Dawood is in Pakistan. And when I went to America last year to discuss security, I met the Attorney General who looks after the FBI. I talked to him and we decided that we will pass whatever information we have on Dawood amongst each other. We decided we will make joint efforts. And if you remember...
So what's the difference between what Rajnath Singh is saying now and what Sushil Shinde said in the past?
I promise I'll convince you. And let me remind you of the fact, R.K. Singh, though he is now in BJP, was a Home Secretary then. He reminded two things. He told, I was present in the meeting and nothing such as what Mr. Shinde spoke transpired between the Attorney General and Mr. Shinde. And he told, even if it would have been transferred, I mean, the conversation would have taken place, it is not as per the norms that you share what a third country's intelligence tells you. So this is not becoming of a Home Minister. And today, what Mr. Rajnath said on the floor of the House was answering to a debate as to what would become of Dawood Ibrahim. He said in a very singular statement that we will arrest Dawood Ibrahim, and just not Dawood Ibrahim, any criminal evading justice should be brought to book. This
and
is a very general
and you
statement.
Selectively choose not to quote what he says after this, because what he says after this is what to my mind is most interesting. That was the effort of the previous government, and it is the effort of this government too. Very selective, Sambit.
I would not be
this
selective.
Almost makes it seem as if Rajnath Singh, now in office, saying, well, Sanjay Jha's party tried to arrest Dawood Ibrahim in the same passion, so shall we. What's the difference?
Definitely, there is a continuity in this. It's not that Sanjay Jha's government was not trying to arrest Dawood Ibrahim or was not trying to bring Dawood Ibrahim. There's no contention in this, and that's what the Home Minister said. Mr. Narendra Modi and we all had a problem with the fact that you should not share the information which should not be shared, and that too by the Home Minister. And that's what I told you. I mean, you go and talk to the Attorney General of America and then you come and share the whole information in Indian press.
Sorry,
I did not do that.
I think these are smart deflection tactics, trying to take away from the substance of what Narendra Modi said on the 27th of April. Why is the government not able to get Dawood? Do these things happen through the medium of newspapers? Did America issue a press note before they killed Laden? Did they hold a press conference saying that they will get Laden on this particular day? Do you see, Sanjay, a difference between the manner in which Rajnath Singh has said that they will go out and arrest him, they're doing what can be done to arrest Dawood Ibrahim? Or do you think that this is essentially what Sushil Shinde had said and Modi had mocked?
You know, Rahul, since your channel, comparative to some of the other channels, does a lot more of research on India's defense capabilities and cross-border activities, I think you'll be well versed with the reality that this government was all, when in opposition, all bellicose and belligerent. But when in government, they are looking extremely timid. You know, there have been a lot of cross-border incidents. There have been deaths that have happened. There have been attacks that have happened. But you have seen a very conspicuous silence from the senior-most leadership of the government so far. So clearly, you know, when they are now sitting in the hot seat, I think they are facing a lot of cold sweat. It's extremely obvious. And to give you an example, This is the same. You have now an external affairs minister whose famous statement, highly provocative we thought, of 10 heads for one. You can't go ahead and run a policy or a cross-border relationship with a complex neighbor, using rhetoric and all kinds of statements that might play to the public gallery. And I think Sambit Batra quoted some text to you, but I want to let him know that, getting Dawood Ibrahim, and I think the country needs to put him to a trial in India, is difficult, because his own Mr. L.K. Advani, I remember, acknowledging that when General Musharraf denied that Dawood Ibrahim even lived in Pakistan. He denied that he was in Karachi with, a whole
No, I know. This
massive
is an old
security
UPA argument which I've
was
heard.
probably provided
But
to
frankly,
him.
Sanjay, the people of India have bigger expectations from Modi. And I want to put that question to Jaidev Ranade. That the fact that it is difficult to get Dawood Ibrahim, the fact that Pakistan will never accept that Dawood lives on Pakistani soil, stays in Clifton, Karachi, are arguments we've heard from the previous government. Voters believed that Narendra Modi would be different. Do you think when Rajnath Singh says that we will arrest Dawood Ibrahim wherever he is this just empty rhetoric, or do you think Modi has a real plan to get Dawood? Mr. Ranade.
Well, I hope that Prime Minister Modi has a plan, and I hope they are working at it quietly. But there is one more thing I'd say, which is something that we can do directly inside India, which is to neutralize Dawood and his henchmen. We can identify and attach all the properties that he has here and identify his network. And that's something which is quite easily done. In fact, I remember some years ago, there was an assistant municipal commissioner of Bombay, of the Bombay Municipal Corporation, called Mr. Kainar, who had identified a large number of properties, and then all of a sudden he was transferred and nothing further was done. So if we want to neutralize Dawood's gang here and his network, then that's the way to go about it.
There's an internal dimension and there's an external dimension. India's covert capabilities were very infamously wound down by former Prime Minister I.K. Gujral. Do you believe under Modi, Rajnath Singh and Ajit Doval, India is making the effort to try and revive the covert capabilities, or do you believe that this is really a continuation of what the UPA did while it was in power? Sanjay Jha now saying that they were belligerent in opposition but seem to be very, very worried and very timid while in government. Is there a continuation of the UPA stance, or do you actually sense the Modi government being different, Mr. Ranade?
No, I think they will be different, because we are at a juncture today where we have to be proactive in certain matters, and they will need to build up the covert capabilities of the intelligence agencies. I'm not privy to what has already been done, but I'm sure that that's very high on their agenda.
In such a situation, a question will arise about whether Rajnath Singh did the right thing by forewarning Dawood Ibrahim, by announcing publicly that we are trying to arrest him, we will catch him wherever he is. Is that a mistake coming from the Home Minister? Because Modi said earlier, and that's where this debate really arises from, why forewarn the enemy if you can go out and get him? You don't need to do a press conference. Is he playing to the gallery and making a mistake, sir, by forewarning Dawood that India is trying to come out and get you?
Well, he need not have said it, but this statement has been made so often by so many governments that I think it's now become virtually a matter of routine.
But you're saying he need not have said it, and I want to come, Sambit, to the dimension that Modi raised, that you don't need to announce these things. A real show of strength, a real signal of intent from the Modi government would have been to announce on 15th of August, I have managed to arrest Dawood Ibrahim. That would have signaled intent.
No, Rahul, one has to believe.
That's what Obama did. We've got Osama. You don't say, we're trying to get him, we will go out and get him. Why do this, especially while you criticize this approach while you were in opposition?
No, Rahul, you have to understand the basic phenomena over here. The basic phenomena is a member of parliament, the Home Minister, addressed the nation with his intention, and this intention is, as Mr. Ranade put it, since time immemorial in the government. All the governments have been saying this. No. We have to see the difference over here. What we criticized and what we did. We criticized the leaking of the information that you had, and that was in the sense you made.
That's not what you did. You're trying to find a point of argument that Modi did not make. He said, I've got Modi's comments. Now, unless you're reading into these comments,
I also have
meaning which he did not attribute at that time. He says, why is the government not not able to get Dawood. I ask you
No.
the same question. He
Mi-
says,
Mr.
do these
Modi-
things happen through the medium of the public, through newspapers?
Exactly. That's the reason as to say, I mean, why do you disclose what discussion you had with America about Dawood Ibrahim? You did not have.
That
It is a
not
known
the
fact.
point.
Rahul, it
he
is a
said,
known
"We are
fact.
speaking to the Pakistani authorities,
Rahul-
Shinde said we are trying to
No,
get
Rahul.
Dawood Ibrahim.
No, no.
Which is exactly
No, no.
what
What
now,
I told was I
exactly
read
what
out the
Rajnath
statement.
Singh is saying.
I no, the hell lot of difference between what Mr. Rajnath ji said today and what Mr. Sinde tried to share then. In the sense, as a Home Minister, he gave a plain statement which any government in action would
You're
have the
clutching at
intention
straws.
of.
There is
That
no
is
difference.
arresting Dawood.
He says we're trying to arrest him.
No. But
now
you have,
Rajnath Singh is saying exactly the same.
no,
There
no,
is
no,
very
he did
little
not
difference
say we are
between
trying
the
to
two.
arrest him. He said that we would be sharing information with the American intelligence and we would be working along with the American intelligence to arrest Dawood. This was leaking information, as this was in fact pre-warning Dawood that, well, yes, look, we are with America.
Sanjay
to
Jha
nab
wants
you.
to respond.
And
I
that's
think
what
you're
we were
clutching at
saying
straws,
against.
but I will allow Sanjay to make a counterpoint. Sanjay.
You know, Rahul, I think we all know it in the media and even in political circles. The Janata Party are masters in making headline-grabbing statements, and if that means crossing the border of saying something irrational or raising expectations beyond the realms of reality, they will do so. I mean, you know, there's an Independence Day coming up. They will see that as their first opportunity to speak from the podium, so raise the national sentiment. They have a right
This
to
reeks
do
of
so,
arrogance,
but they should not play to the
Sanjay,
gathering
you're
of
a dear
matters of
friend.
national security.
When
No,
a poor man
let me
speaks
Sambit,
from
let me
when
finish.
a poor
Sambit, let me
chaiwala
finish.
speaks from the podium, you say
Sambit,
that
let me
for the
finish.
first time. That
Sambit,
how
let
dare
me
they climb
finish.
up the podium of Red Fort.
Sambit, let me
This is not
finish.
the way. This is Mani Shankar Iyengar's
Sambit,
language.
let me finish.
This is not
Let me
done.
finish. Let me finish. Now the
yes,
point I'm
finish
going to make here, and this is the thing that we need to notice, that the government needs to recognize that somebody like Hafiz Saeed, who is a international terrorist, now even America has, you know, come up with stronger strictures. He has got a bounty on his head of 10 million US dollars. He roams around Pakistan giving speeches and nobody is able to touch his hair. Dawood
he is
Ibrahim
Sri
is in a
Hafiz Saeed, if
similar,
you remember,
shall we
Sri
say,
Hafiz Saeed
protected
of
fence.
your-
And
This
that's
doesn't
the
inspire me.
challenge.
No.
Neither
That's
what the
challenge
Congress is
that
saying is
this government of
inspirational,
India,
nor what
as
the
former
BJP, because
government of
only
India
the
has.
Ashton bans have changed.
It's
The
not
Congress
easy.
now sounds
It's
like
not
the BJP. The
predictable.
BJP now sounds like the Congress.
Not at
There
all,
is a
not at
sense
all.
of deja vu
Not at
with
all.
roles being reversed. I want to go across to Jaidev Ranade. Given the fact that India doesn't have very strong covert capabilities, even if we are building them up in Pakistan, it's a process that has begun only recently. What, Mr. Ranade, if you were to plan an operation to take down Dawood Ibrahim, do you think would be the right approach? How can it be done? What should Ajit Doval and Modi really be thinking? How would you do this, sir?
Well, I think they are quite competent. Ajit Doval is well versed in all this, and I think it's not that difficult. Building up capabilities certainly takes time, but there are other avenues open to the intelligence agencies, which I won't go into, but they can certainly initiate action subject to their getting a political clearance.
So are you then suggesting that all that is lacking is a political green signal, that the capabilities can be put together? Even if you don't have Indian spies in Pakistan, militia can be hired locally, various other means can be found, that if the political will were to exist, Mr. Jaidev Ranade, you are suggesting that the Indian intelligence agencies are capable of masterminding an operation. Ajit Doval can lead such a charge and they can bring down Dawood Ibrahim if Modi were to give a green signal in short notice?
Yes, I think if a green light is given, well, I won't say short notice, it takes a bit of time, but certainly they will succeed.
Sambit Patra, you just heard from one of the leading counter-terror officials of the country that all you actually need is a political green signal. You don't need Rajnath Singh speaking for 2 hours saying, we will arrest Dawood Ibrahim. If that will, which was lacking during the UPA, is present during the NDA government,
Two
Ajit
things.
Doval and his men can get Dawood Ibrahim.
Two things. First and foremost, yes, Mr. Ranade is a fantastic person. He knows a lot about how to nab a terrorist. And yes, today he is speaking with confidence. He's saying, yes, I'm sure that this government will do it. This was lacking in the previous
That's not what he's
dispensation.
saying. He says that if a political green signal is given,
I heard.
you
And
try
secondly,
and play with words very smartly. What you're saying is very different from what he said.
I heard
he
him
said
completely.
if the
That's
government
what I
gives the
said. He
green
knows what he
signal,
said. He has faith on this government. He says that
it's
this
not
government
about
will do
faith
it.
in this government.
And
If about faith in the intelligence department. It's about faith in our intel officers.
Exactly, the intelligence department and the officers
which was
get
the
the
same
green
under
nod,
the UPA as well.
get the nod from the political dispensation, and the faith in a way lies with the political dispensation. That's what Mr. Ranade was showing. But most importantly, you said that Mr. Rajnath was giving a 2-hour long speech. Had he not given a 2-hour long speech, I believe it was 2-minute speech, had he not given a 2-minute speech, you in the media would have been saying, look, they're evading the questions on Dawood Ibrahim, they are not answering. So it was a very general statement, it was an intention of the government.
Ranade, do you believe Prime Minister Modi has the courage of his convictions to give a green signal which will see India launch an operation, a covert operation which will see Dawood Ibrahim being brought down?
I think there's a lot of confidence and a lot of expectation from this government. There's still early days yet, but when he takes this decision, or as and when he takes it, it will be done very quietly.
And that's the way it should be. But Sanjay Jha, at least people in the strategic firmament of India are far more confident about Modi's ability to take this decision than they ever were about Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's ability to order a strike that would bring Dawood down.
Yeah, you know, Rahul, if you look at it realistically, you will find that when they were in opposition, they were very critical of our foreign policy of strategic restraint in general with China, Pakistan. But, you know, today, if you look at some of the incidents you have already had with Sri Lanka regarding fishermen, Pakistan has already raised up the issue of Kashmir all over again. And even the Chinese, there have been incursions happening across the border. You'll find this government very ambivalent. You know, you don't seem to get the confidence today that this government has a clearly enunciated policy that it wants to pursue for the long term.
Okay,
it
I'm going to have to end it over there.
Almost novice-like at the moment. We are hoping this government will display greater maturity going forward.
Well, so far, all that we've heard is empty rhetoric till the time it translates into action. Whether or not it will be known only when the Prime Minister announces that Dawood Ibrahim has been brought down. Till then, Sambit Patra can cry himself hoarse, but the people will not believe the BJP because people want to see action, not just words. And if he were to do it, it would be a hugely popular decision. And as Ranade says, Ajit Doval and his boys can pull the operation off provided they get the green signal. Mr. Prime Minister, maybe it's time for you to look at your own comments from the 27th of April and act on them. For the time being, Jaidev Ranade, Sanjay Jha and Sambit Patra for joining us on the Center Stage Face-Off tonight. Thank you very much.